Alright guys, moving on to the final part. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So this is where we ended. Eyes, I can argue, na na lazy, na 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 price. I'm a boss and leader. Love not to see ya. Mama, savage, na 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 na, savage. Yeah. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so the new part, you want to say left hand is saying wipe your mouth to your left, and then you want to go up. From here, you want to bring it down and go sleep to your left, and then sleep to your right. Alright, let's just try that. So we're going to go wipe your mouth up, and then sleep left, sleep right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wipe, up, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wipe and up and sleep, sleep. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go wipe, up, sleep, sleep. Alright, so from sleep, sleep, from here you want to say left, hiya, right, hiya, left, hiya. Yeah, so it's 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Now from here, right after, you want to do prep for the woe, so left is going up, right is coming down, and then you want to say opposite, yeah? So let's just go a bit back, wipe mouth, sleep, sleep. From here you go left, right, left, prep, woe. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, and a whoa. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, and a whoa. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right, left, and a whoa. Then from the whoa, you wanna say left is coming up. You wanna say push it out, yeah, and then bring it in, and then throw a punch. Yeah, so you're going left around here. Now it goes super fast, so you might not even make the first one. So you might just throw a punch right away. Yeah, up to you. You know what? Let's just practice the throw. Yeah, if you want, you can go push, throw. But for now, let's just go throw. So it was whoa. From here, you want to say up, throw, and from here, prep, L, push out, BL. And then you want to say take a step to your side with your left, alright? So we're from here to here. And then at the same time, you also want to bring up your right arm like that, holding the steering wheel. And then you want to swing your left back to the front, yeah? And you do the first one on the step left, step right, alright? So let's just try from here. You just did the L. Now you want to bring it down and go left, step right. Try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step left, step right. And let me just go a bit back. So right after the whoa, we want to take the left up, swing, and L, and step left, step right. Let's just try that part. So from the whoa, we're gonna say swing L. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing L, walk, walk. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing L, walk, walk. And then from walk, walk, you wanna grab with your left and put your right arm in. Or you can also just do this rolling thing if you don't have anything to grab onto. And then you want to do throw it back. Now I have a detailed tutorial on how to throw it back. If you're interested, I'll put the links in the description below. So right after walk, walk, it was prego, and then it was throw it back. And then from here, you just want to turn to the side because you want to do this hip move thing here. Yeah, I also have a detailed tutorial on how to do this move. If you're interested, I'll also put the link in the description. So anyways, right after this 4 times, you wanna put up your left and go whoa again, yeah? And then from here you can do the classic savage stand if you want. I also have a tutorial on this, or you can just freestyle, whatever, all right? So let me just show you again. So from walk, it's prego, then it's throw it back, then you wanna turn, rotate to your left here and go hit, 2, 3, 4. Now the arms, you can either go up like that, you can hit it like that, keep it here, whatever you want, yeah? So it's 4 times, 2, 3, 4, then it's whoa, and then free stop. All right guys, time to do a recap of this whole last part. So right after ice here, the new part is da-da, up, sleep, sleep, 1, 2, 3, and whoa. Throw it up, around, loser, walk, walk, mama, throw it back, and then hip move, 2, 3, prep for the whoa, whoa, and freestyle. And let me just show you the timing as well, so I'm just gonna show you the words that we're hitting here. So it is argue, lazy, women, I just raise, price, boss, leader, da to see the, mama, savage, na I'm savage. All right, so let's just practice. So we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Argue with the lazy women, da price and boss on a leader, na to see the, mama, savage, and I'm a savage. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Argue, with women, my price and a boss, leader, to see her, and my mama, savage, my savage. Yeah, and one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Argue, lazy, arches, price, boss, and a leader, and to see her. Mama, savage, savage. Yeah. Alright guys, time to do the full dance. So I'm gonna take it from the tip top. So let's hope I remember the steps. It goes right cheek, na, push, and pop, frame, gang. If you don't jump, you don't feel my pain, hold up, na, ice, and argue with this lazy, na, I'm a boss, leader, na, to see you, mama, savage, na, I'm a savage. Yeah. Alright, now quick run through. So, right arm goes hit, whoop, left arm hit, whoop, right arm swings around, down, booty, step back with your right, left says around, out, pull, and step to the front point, step up, and then roll around, left stays, and goes chest pop, right comes up, open, left, gang, right, double, gang, now cross, out, pull up, down, put your hands on left, right, wavy, point. Now here, you go dolphin, front, back, drive, 1 with the left, 2, 3, 4. From here, you want to wipe your mouth, up, sleep, left, right. Now say left, right, left, prep, whoa. Bring your left up and go swing, and L, step with your left to the side and go swing back, front. From here you want to see a mama here, Then you wanna throw it back, and then step with the left to the front, and you go hip, 2, 3, 4, prep, whoa, and then freestyle. All right, now let me show you the timing. It goes left cheek, right cheek, drop it, na na na, swing, text, na 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 na, put you up, and then I park my brain, gang, 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 gang. If you jump, jeans on, you feel pain, and please don't na hype, and run na ice, and arguing at this lazy women, na my price, and a boss, na leader, na two-seater, mama savage, got that na I'm savage. Yeah, alright guys, time to practice. So we're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left cheek, right cheek, drop it, na swing, text, na, put you up, na, and I will park, frame, gang, 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 and you jump in the jeans on, yeah, I'm feeling the pain, and please na hype, and alright, man, ice, and arguing lazy, now I can earn my price, and I'm a leader, and I'm to see her, and my mama savage, na savage. Yeah, alright guys, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Right cheek, left cheek, drop it, na. Text, na. Put you up, na. And unpop, frame, and gang. Now, you jump, jeans on, you feel pain, and please don't na hype, and alright, na ice, and argue, na lazy, na my price, and boss, and leader, na to see that, mama savage, na savage. Yeah. Alright guys, one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Right cheek, left cheek, drop the na. Text na, and put you on na. I pocket na, and gang. Now, you John and jeans on, na pain, and please hype, and run. Ice, and argue, and lazy, I can my price, and boss, the leader, and I'm a savage. Yeah. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Now, the dance at the end is very fast, so a tip for me would be just to keep it small. So instead of going exaggerate, you can just go hey, whoa. Yeah, that way you have a better chance of staying on the beat. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Savage Remix TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.